ये नंबर 1, ये नंबर 2, ये नंबर 3, ये नंबर 4, ये नंबर 5।
Hum Panch, or The Five of Us, is a sitcom based on the day-to-day happenings in the Mathur household. As the title suggests, the serial revolves around the 5 daughters of Mr. Anand Mathur and his wife Beena Mathur. Hum Panch highlights the characteristics of these 5 girls. Meenakshi, the eldest, is a vengeful feminist, ever ready with her rolling pin. She hates men and can go to any extent to fight for the rights of women.
औरतों पर अत्याचार करने वाले सब मर्द एक जैसे होते हैं। सबके बीच में कौवा जैसी यूनियन होती है। अपनी बात को कौवा बोली।
Radhika, an intelligent but hearing and visually impaired girl who often consequently causes misunderstandings.
हाँ?
मेरी शर्ट देखी कहाँ है?
हाँ।
कहाँ है?
अभी देर है।
देर है? मैं अपनी शर्ट के बारे में पूछ रहा हूँ।
हाँ, वो तो घूमने गई है।
Sweetie is a bimbo, most attractive and non-intelligent of the lot.
डैडी, जल्दी से कपड़े बदल लीजिए। ठंड घुस गई तो ओवन में रखना पड़ेगा।
भगवान।
She is romantic to the core and she dreams of marrying Shah Rukh Khan or for that matter, any handsome guy she sees. Kajal, more popularly known as Kajal Bhai, is a tomboy and a bully. She's a dawn with a foot in key Bombay underworld activities.
जो हो सकता है वो कर लो। 50 लाख की बात करते हो। 50 पैसे का भीख नहीं देगा अपन और आइंदा से इधर फोन नहीं करने का वरना घर पे आके मारूंगा साले।
Choti is the youngest, a pudgy teenager with a tongue for both food and gossip. She's the news bulletin of the house.
ये तो मेरी कानों सुनी खबर है। पांडे अंकल मिठाई का डब्बा लेके ऑटो से उतरे और घर की तरफ भागे, तो मैंने भी उनका पीछा किया।
The girls have a new prank up their sleeves in every episode, ranging from bank robbery to opening a parlor to kidnapping someone. The father of these 5 gems, Anand Mathur, a middle-class businessman, has no end of trouble trying to deal with his 5 wild daughters. His wife Beena always takes the side of her daughters and takes every available opportunity to henpeck him. In the midst of this fray, there is the ghost of his first wife, mother to his first 3 daughters, whom only Anand can see and communicate with. Anand's dead wife often gets a too caustic sense in every situation, leaving Anand agitated and frustrated. His conversations with his dead wife through her photo in the living room are the height of hilarity. With all this, it's a wonder Anand can survive each and every day. For all 5 of his children get up to some schemes or shenanigans that never fail to create pandemonium in the city. Anand is constantly caught up between his daughters and his nagging wives. The series, after the stupendous success of its first innings, was brought back in its second season as Hum Panch Tadka Maar Ke. In the second season, Anand returns from a long stay in the US and 2 of the eldest daughters, Meenakshi and Radhika, were married with a daughter each. The show depicts household situations that any family can identify with. The problems are stupid and at times serious, but are tackled by the 5 sisters in the most hilarious way. The set of Hum Panch is unique too. The entire series is shot inside the living room of the Mathur house. Come, be a part of the Mathur house and witness the hilarious histrionics of their 5 eccentric daughters in Hum Panch.